This is the 40-year-old Honda designed to fit in the back of a small hatchback. It's called the Moto Compo, and to unfold it, you start by removing the center panel with the key, and then you fold up each handlebar individually. From there, the seat pops up, and you can replace this center panel. And the last thing to do, the 2 foot pegs fold down from the side. This is a fully street-legal little scooter, though, so you have turn signals, you have a horn, you have a mirror, you have a key, and my favorite feature is there's an extendable cable so you can lock it when you're gone. The top speed on this unit is right around 25 miles an hour. It's powered by a 49cc 2-stroke motor, and it's light enough, right around 99 pounds, so you can lift it up, fold it up, and fit it in a car.